week, we are especially conscious of the journey of the past 20 years and the momentous steps that set us on a new path and open up new hopes and dreams. 20 years ago, liberation movements were unbanned, President Nelson Mandela walked free, and suddenly anything seemed possible. Who are we now? We aspire to be masters of our own destiny. What destiny are we now creating for ourselves as South Africans? These are moral questions. If we appreciate that the Latin root of the word moral address the essence of what it is to be human, to be flourishing individuals within flourishing communities.
A government of compassion is about not seeing people as numbers. People are not statistics. People are special. They are irreplaceable and have immeasurable value. We are each one of us unique, irreplaceable, precious in the eyes of God, and a government of compassion sees each and every single individual as a precious being created in the image of God.